Join me on the couch for a wee chat, would ya? So here I am making my first off-the-cuff reel about master resell rights. Because yes, now I'm in that world and there's tons of women creating tons of drama. So let's talk about it from a couple different perspectives. There seems to be this vibe as if it's an icky, dirty, unhelpful, not good thing. And the most drama that I've seen is coming from other people who are digital product creators. And some of the arguments that I've seen in trying to cast MRR, master resell rights, in a bad light is that,
well, everyone should just create their own product. That's cheapening the marketplace. It's going to flood the marketplace with a bunch of unvaluable stuff.
and there is some truth to that, because if there's one thing I've learned in 13 plus years is that marketers ruin stuff. But here's the deal. We live in times where average people need to be able to stack cash as fast as possible. And if they can do it in an ethical way that actually helps other people, they should be encouraged to do that as big and fast as possible. They certainly shouldn't be shamed for trying to get a leg up. Because in this guy's honest opinion, anytime you have the opportunity to completely cut the creation phase out and save yourself weeks, if not months of time and skip straight to income, that's a good thing, especially for new folks who need time to learn the skills but want income now. Follow and DM me for help.